Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this quick guide, we will show you how to transfer money from your Neteller account to your bank account. Let's begin. Step 1. Log into your Neteller account using your email and password. After logging in, go to the Money Out section from the menu. Next, select the bank account option as your withdrawal method. Enter your bank account details. This includes your account number, bank name, and any necessary codes like SWIFT or IBAN code. Now enter the amount you wish to transfer. Be sure it fits within your available balance. Once everything looks good, click Confirm to complete the transfer. And that's it. Your transfer will be processed and the funds should reach your bank account within a few business days. Thanks for watching.